that's me. And yeah, I'm using this bit again. Now, I talked a little bit about food in my last Baha Mar video, but I wanted to drop something official. Let's start with the offerings. Baha Mar offers dining experiences that run the gamut, from quick bites to however fancy you want to get. A number of cultural cuisine options and stuff for even the most particular palate. Now, make sure your wallet is prepared to spend. It can get pricey. This ain't all inclusive. I always recommend packing snacks or visiting a local grocery store when you're on these European playing resorts. Now, let me show y'all what we actually ate. So there's always food options at any of the pools. Most are prepared at a nearby restaurant. Drift Bar and Grill is right at the Drift Pool at Grand Hyatt West, offering some Caribbean-inspired dishes and some classic grill food. Lobster grilled cheese for the win, and a classic bacon burger. With 2 drinks, I'd say this came to about $80. Stix Noodle Bar offers sort of Asian Bahamian fusion noodle dishes, along with some small bites and a boba tea bar. Prices range up to about $26. Now, Stix we didn't try, Pizza Lab we did. It was after a few drinks, so I kind of forgot to film the food, but trust me, it was good. I like the vibe. The drink menu was extensive. Prices range from $8 for a slice, $35 for a whole pie, up to $60 for a ribeye. And the outdoor seating offers views of Baha Mar's fountain show. Check out my other Baha Mar video for more details on the fountain show. It's giving Bellagio some competition. Now, if you saw my last video, I told you I was gonna cover this twice. The sweet tooth junkie in me had to. Sugar Factory is part candy shop, part ice creamery, part bakery, part restaurant, part dessert and drink experiments, and you 100% need to go. Some of y'all may even have them in your local area. It was named the most Instagram restaurant in the US by Food and Wine magazine, so check them out. Outdoor bar and lounge seating. You definitely get the whole Instagram influencer vibe when you're there. These are the drink concoctions I mentioned earlier. What's dope though is that they also offer them in non-alcoholic, so everybody has a chance to try them. Honestly, the food was priced okay. Those concoctions were some of the most expensive things on the menu. 1 red velvet martini, fire. 1 piece Love and Harmony. I'm told it was delicious. I wasn't allowed to try it. Somebody was being selfish. Flamin' Hot Cheeto Burger had Flamin' Hot Cheetos in the burger. It also had Flamin' Hot Cheeto dust crusted on the brioche bun. Bruh.
I don't know, man. I don't know how authentic this Flamin' Hot is.
As you could hear, the music was pretty loud in there and I was not properly mic'd. But basically, my only critique of this burger is that all these Flamin' Hot elements, it was not Flamin' Hot. There was little to no kick. The kick that did come from it, I think probably came from the pepper jack cheese, but overall it was good. The crunch element that the Flamin' Hot chips did add, elevated it. Good, recommend, highly. Also highly recommend this tropical skirt steak. There's also a Starbucks on property. I mean, I feel like having a Starbucks is almost obligatory. They don't accept gift cards or honor any other loyalty programs, but you got all your Starbucks stuff. As you make your way to the beach, you'll pass a poke bowl, daiquiri, and ice cream stands. Starbucks 2 commercial for you. Inside the casino, you'll find Cafe Madeleine, a Parisian coffee shop and bakery. This is as close to Paris as you'll find in this region of the planet. They really set the Parisian cafe vibe from the moment you walk in to the selection of drinks, baked goods, and other offerings. Jazz music faintly playing in the background as they dazzle you with a selection of gelatos and baked goods, and the whole thing is the Parisian aesthetic. It was dope. I liked it. They for sure don't have this in Paris. Grabbed myself a hazelnut frap that was super good and this ultra decadent 24 karat gold flake eclair. Marcus at Baha Mar is probably one of the most sought after restaurants on site. As you can see, it's beachfront, which would explain that. I highly recommend making a reservation. There is bar seating, which is good if you can't get a reservation. There's main level outdoor seating with beach views. Of course, the regular dining room interior. Then there's Marcus up top, which is a bar or a nightlife experience offering a rooftop club kind of feel with a live DJ, but It's only open on Friday and Saturday nights, so make sure your stay either has a Friday or a Saturday night in it. Now the menu at Marcus was pretty impressive. Dishes pulling directly from Bahamian culture with a lot of options. Typically higher end restaurants you see shorter, smaller menus. This one was not that. Super good drinks, food was amazing, great presentation. Please, please get the cornbread for the table, please. It's listed at the top of the menu for a reason.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Carna is another highly sought after restaurant on site, and they gon' get in your pockets. From the moment you walk in, you just feel the elegance. There's a meat and wine showcase right when you walk in, showcasing some of the world's finest cuts of meat. Now, I may have exaggerated a bit in terms of the pricing. If you've ever been in a steakhouse, chop house, it's gonna be similar pricing. However, they do have a specialty section in their menu that has some very expensive cuts of meat. So, if you don't go that route, you can keep it relatively cost effective. I kinda expected more from the bread than just a regular dinner roll, but I don't know. They make up for the bread by also offering complimentary house-made chips. The higher quality cuts come in smaller sizes, so to make up for that, I ordered a lobster roll from the add to cuts section. I would recommend doing the same to make sure you actually get full. You don't get very many experiences like this. I know it costs, I know this, but you won't regret it, trust me. Top 2 steaks I've ever had, and it's not 2. The smaller it got, the sadder I got. I started trying to divide it up to make it last. Yeah. Wrap things up with a little dessert, try and help ease the pain.